faces. In today's beauty segment, I'm going to share a very simple and effective DIY for the treatment of dandruff. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. The main reasons for dandruff is mostly due to using of harsh shampoo, daily life stress and strain, extreme weather conditions, and also due to artificial chemicals used for hair styling. So in today's video, I am showing my viewers a very simple and too easy effective home remedy which can be easily prepared with all the products easily available in everyone's kitchen. These two DIYs are equally effective for both men and women of all age groups, and there is completely no side effects too. So let's start with our first DIY. The first and the foremost ingredient required for both the DIY is coconut oil. So I am using 100% virgin coconut oil. So as we all know, coconut oil plays a vital role for our hair growth and nourishment. It is packed with vitamins and fatty acids that nourish your scalp and promotes hair growth. The healing property of this oil tackles the dandruff issues too. The second ingredient which I am using is camphor. Camphor acts as a coolant, and the antibacterial and antifungal property makes it an excellent agent to fight dandruff and reduce hair fall. So for the first DIY, take a clean and dry mixing bowl. In that mixing bowl, add 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil depending upon your hair length. And now heat this oil for 2 to 3 minutes, and in the meantime, add this camphor to this oil. Now after adding camphor to the oil, you can see a very good fragrance of the camphor completely dissolves in the oil. Transfer this oil to this bowl and allow this oil to cool down. After cooling down, you can apply this oil on your hair scalp and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can wash off your hair, or else you can leave this oil overnight and the next day you can wash your hair. Now coming to the second DIY. In the second DIY, you require 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil, and then you require half size of lemon. When coming to the benefits of lemon juice contains vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoids and antioxidants that repairs, nourishes and hydrates your hair follicles. The medicinal property also helps to fight against dandruff. Another added advantage of this DIY is that this DIY helps to turn your white hairs to black hairs also. So take 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil. Now take half a slice of lemon and squeeze this juice directly into the oil. There is no need to heat this oil for this DIY. So just squeeze this half a slice of lemon into this coconut oil. Remove all the seeds and then mix it well. Apply this pack on your hair scalp and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can wash off your hair. So for effective results, what you do is you have to apply this pack thrice in a week to fight against dandruff. So once you started seeing a result, you can reduce the amount of application so that you can apply thrice in a week, and gradually you can just reduce to once in a week. These two DIYs just does wonders on your hair scalp and just removes dandruff in a very easy way. You can follow any one of the DIYs and you can check out the results too. So please do try out these two simple DIYs. Come back, leave a comment below after your application. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.